I'm not saying that Aristide is not the most popular man in Haiti right now. I'm not saying that. I think at a certain point, everyone who's been exiled should come back. But not this week.
Who should determine when that certain point is?
Me. Are they going to let me know?
What about the other members of your band? Do they have anything to say?
I always ask them before I make a big decision.
Yeah, well, right now they outnumbered. Yeah, your opinions seem to be carrying more weight.
They let me. No. They support him, but they don't necessarily always want him to come back tonight.
2 years ago, I was here in July 2007. It was a huge demonstration. It was July 15th, Aristide's birthday.
You got it?
2007. Did you notice that? It was also the Brazil.
Argentina.
I'm going there.
Okay.
How do you explain that 5 years, 6 years after he's been evicted, people are still demonstrating, asking for Aristide's?
Nous sommes gérés by ça.
Let's do this part.
Okay. When you have a demonstration after a Brazil-Argentina game and Brazil wins, that's not a demonstration. That's a party. All right? Because people take to the streets after Brazil wins against Argentina to win the South American Cup. People are taking to the streets, no matter what, if Brazil beats Argentina. So if you take a few people and put signs up to try and make it seem like a demonstration, that's not a demonstration.
So you're saying that Aristide does not have support?
I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that. I'm
How
saying
would you
that.
evaluate
I'm
his
saying.
popularity? Let's say you take Aristide, Maniga, Rival, I don't know, Kathleen. How would you compare them? Just basically in terms of popular support.
Before I answer that, I'm going to say that the people were dissatisfied with Aristide, which is why Andy Aped was able to make those demonstrations in 2004. All right? When Aristide left, and they saw what Aped came with, which is la torture and repression, then they wanted Aristide back. You see what I'm saying? I'm not saying that Aristide is not the most popular man in Haiti right now. I'm not saying that. Yes.
So he is?
I would say of the political players, yes.
Is that the reason why he cannot come back?
I would say that the reason he cannot come back is because of the way he conducted himself while he was here.